In this video, I'm going to walk you through the proper care and maintenance for the AMI Reiner MP3 Inkjet cartridge for the Graphic 970 as well as the Speedy Marker 940. In the box, you will find the cartridge care and troubleshooting instructions. Please save this for later reference. If for some reason you misplace it, you can always check the link below and download it off our website. When the cartridge comes, it will be in this plastic package. As it is unboxed, you will find the cartridge itself with the plastic clip and a small plastic band to keep it nice and tightly sealed. You'll also find a lint-free cloth. The foil pouch. Please remember to write with a permanent marker the date that you open the cartridge for reference, as well as information about the cartridge. You will also find an additional blue gasket for the MP3 ink cartridge. This is placed on the inside of the base. When you place the 970 on the base, this blue gasket will seal the cartridge from air exposure. It is recommended to switch out this small gasket every time you get a new cartridge. It is also recommended to take the ink cartridge out of the machine when it is not in use for long periods of time. Always remember to store the cartridge with the plastic rubber band in the plastic clip and in a little foil pack that it comes in. When you're printing, you might find a small inconsistency in the actual imprint. In order to fix this problem, you may need to wipe the cartridge with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. Take a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on your lint-free cloth and wipe from front to back. If you do this correctly, you will see a thin line of ink on your cloth. Now you're ready to print again. Insert the cartridge in the 970 and you're set to go.